Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Fast Tech. So today I'm going to teach you how you can earn money online. Okay, so on my this channel I just teach on how you can earn money online, some free tricks and a whole lot of stuff out here. I don't do anything aside from that. Okay, so today I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step on how you can get access to a particular website online and get paid on there without investing. Okay, so the tip is we are not going to invest out here, although I'm not a financial advisor, but you're not going to invest. You're just going to perform a little task out there, then you are good to go. And the most exciting thing is they really pay via Momo. Okay, you can cash out with your MTN Momo or your Vodafone Cash or any of mobile money services you prefer to use. All right, so if you're outside Ghana too, then you can use a PayPal or any other formats that app will tell you to do, then you cash it out with that. Okay, so this app is very simple. All you have to do is just perform some tasks there, then you are good to go. So let's dive into this app then and know much about it. Okay, so this app I'm talking about is what we call Premise. Okay, so just tap on Premise here. As you tap on Premise, this is how it's going to open for you. So this is Premise. Okay, this is Premise. So either you sign in with your email, your Google or your Apple or any. Okay, so I like to go in with my Google here. Okay, so I can decide to choose on any Google account I want to. Okay, so when creating, it's very simple. They'll just ask you your email and ask you some few questions. That's why I was not able to take you through how to create it. Okay, I've already created it. So when you're creating, it's very simple. You just provide your email, your name, and then they'll even not ask you to verify from your email. Or what you will need to provide is your name and your valid email. Then they will ask you some few questions and ask you to turn on your location, and that's all. So on this app here, it's in two folds. Okay, so the first one is you just perform some task here. You see we have the unpaid tasks. You can see more of them here. You can check on wallets. So as soon as you log into this app, they are going to discount you with 0.25 pesos. That's in Ghana cedis, but I don't know that of the other currencies outside Ghana. Okay, so let's check our wallet here. So you can see that I have my 0.25 here. So you can make a withdrawal of 28 cedis. That's the minimum withdrawal with your Momo top up. Okay, your mobile top up. You can also use the Bitcoin or any other method. Okay, good. So how do I earn from this app? So let me teach you this. So you come to your tax here. You can decide to use the unpaid tax. That means you have not select or do in any tax. That's why it is unpaid. But rather, if you have been paid with it, they will just remove this and say that paid task. Okay, so this is how this app works. They will ask you to take some pictures of something, maybe a church, a mosque, a mountain, something like that. They will ask you to take a pictures of it. Then after you do that, within 24 hours they will send you your money, and also they can also ask you to watch videos online. Okay, then after that they will also get you paid. Okay, so also you can also refer your friends out here. The more you refer your friends, you also get some bonus in addition to this without investing any money here. So as soon as you tap on unpaid task, it will tell you what to do here. So this task is the first in series of training tasks that will train you to be a Premise elite and data. So you press on start now. So this is what they have been telling you. So thank you for being a contributor. Premise is looking for data. Say I'm interested. Okay, so the task will tell you more about this interview. Then you continue. So press on continue till they will just tell you to do the task. So you say please click the link to watch the video and watch the entire video. Okay, so they want me to watch video on what? YouTube, and then after that I'll get my money in my account. This is very simple. Okay, it's very simple. You don't need to just stress yourself. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, so aside from that too, you can also refer your friends to out here. So how do we refer our friends here? So come to your account here. You can see that you have the invite friends to join Premise. Okay, so as soon as you tap on it, it will give you a link, or it will give you the format on how you can send it to your friends there. So you can check on here to change the language. You can also log out, check on your notification and about the entire Premise, and check your wallet here. So if you want to cash out, it's either Bitcoin or mobile top up. So as soon as I tap on mobile top up, you see they have assigned me to a minimum withdrawal is 2080s. So if I was to cash out, let's say cash out here, yes, so I'll come here, press on mobile money next, yes. So unfortunately, yes, so this is how it goes. So you enter your mobile money number here, then the account title, maybe anyhow you want to account the title, maybe you press on any numbers or any rest, then you are good to go. So then after you click on next, it will tell you so your account has been successfully added. So this means that as soon as whatever you do, they will start giving you your money in your account. Okay, so this is how Premise actually work. So it's very simple. You just have to complete this task and share your link to with your friends. The more you do, the more you earn. So it's very simple to earn money out here. So it's fast tech out here. Just follow me for more videos. What I do on my channel is to make money online. So follow me and subscribe to my channel as well. Don't forget to press on the notification bell, and then you get any notified of my videos I will post here. Also, there is a link to my Telegram group. You can join me out there, and also there is a link to Premise in my description. So you can check on the link to my Telegram and the link to Premise on my description, so that you can also get paid on Premise. So it's very simple. Let's do this, guys. See ya and next year at Fast Tech. Bye bye.